In front of me is OPPO Find X9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to click on this one, which is called Privacy Controls. Following that, you can access Permission Manager and pick any feature you want to manage. Let's go with Calendar. Now check out all of your apps under all of those sections in case of Calendar, Allowed or Not Allowed. Let's go with Instagram from Not Allowed one. Here you can apply chosen option by choosing it. Like that. When you see this blue dot, you can go back. I want to pick Allow, so when I go back and swipe up, I can see that Instagram just gained access to my device's calendar. But my favorite thing about permissions is that you can pick any of those just to find an app you want to manage, like I will enter location, just to manage my Chrome. Now instead of tapping on any of those options, scroll all the way down and click on tiny text at the bottom. See all Chrome permissions. Then manage all of those only for a chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!